To sell on Whatnot, firstly go to the official website. So just go to whatnot.com. So go to the official website, and once you're on the official website, you log into your account or create an account. You can simply um, log in using your Google credential as well and create an account. So once you've created an account here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this become a seller. So when you click on become a seller, it's going to ask you for a few of your like phone number, address, and all those things to verify. So plug in those details and then verify your account first. So once you're done with the verification and everything, hit on this become a seller option here. So click on it, and then here, okay, and then here select what you want to sell. So just select the items that you want to sell, so the category. So you can just do that. So just choose it, hit on next, and you just go to answer a few questions on based on what you want to sell. So depending on that, you just do that, and then once you're done, click on next and select and just answer all these questions. And once you're done with it, hit on next. All right, so once you're done that, you'll get to the Sellers Hub here. So now here you can start scheduling your show to start your selling. So to do that, scroll here. You'll see there's an option called schedule a show. Click on it, and then now all you have to do is simply fill in these informations here. So you just have to plug in uh, your title, so your show title, the date, time when you're going to do all those things, and your category, all these information here, the category, the media items like photos, videos associated with your show, whatever you want to sell. And you have more advanced options here. If you want to, you can just plug those details in, like shipping address and shipping cost and all those things. If it's applicable for you. Once you fill in all these informations here, okay, if you scroll all the way down, once you're done with it, all you have to do is hit on schedule now, and that's it. Your show will be scheduled for your selected time and date, and your selling starts from there onwards. And that's how you start the selling on What Now. Hope the video helps.